1987 Honda Aero 50. Classic scooter. 2-stroke, 50cc single cylinder engine. It's a CVT, although I think the term they use is variator. And this is the variator. So this model's an 87. They made these from 83 to 87 with a redesign coming in 85. The 83 to 84 had a single speed variator. This one's more like a CVT where it'll shift ratios as you apply the throttle. Now about the throttle, so this is just a 50cc 2-stroke scooter, kind of like riding a weed whacker, and the throttle I've found is more of an on and off switch than something you modulate. I can get it up to about 40 miles an hour on a good flat stretch. I'm about 200 pounds. Downhill I can probably get up to 45. But for around town, 0 to 25, taking off from stoplights, stop signs, it's fine. It's fun actually. You kind of want to make little errands to run just to ride the thing around town. Now this scooter is in pre-sale condition. It's been sitting in my backyard for about a year or so, but I fired it right up. They're super reliable. It has a push start here, but it also has a kick start right here, so you'll never get stuck with it. You can actually run it around without a battery even in it. So let's see some features here. We've got some storage right there. Oh, someone gave me a lollipop, I guess. There's an additional storage here. It's like I said, I haven't seen this thing in about a year. You can access the spark plug and the air filter right through here. Pretty simple. And I've taken all these covers off. And it's a few screws here and there. It assembles and disassembles pretty quickly. Although, this was broken down here, and I'm sure a lot of them are. So I've got to get something to seal that up. Like I said, it's in pre-sale condition. It uses tube tires, and coming into a driveway hot a couple of times, I have lost air in them, popped the tube out. But maybe I ride a little more aggressively than some. Okay, so like I said, 2-stroke. Here's your access to your fuel tank. Holds about a gallon of gas, and then it mixes all by itself, the premix right there. You just kind of fill it up to that little marker there, and you're good to go. Twist the throttle, it mixes for you. So battery, there's not a whole lot to it as far as the service standpoint goes. It's street legal, license plates, turn signals, brake light, headlight, and super fun. So, anybody want to go for a ride? I've never done a POV ride on a scooter, so I'm not sure how the wind noise is going to affect this. But we'll go for a quick ride. We're here in Walnut Creek, California today at Heather Farms Park. So you have to have the brake squeezed for it to start. So key on, engine run, squeeze brake, kick it or push it. I like the kick. And then you just kind of twist the throttle and go. I don't know if both brakes are linked. This is the front brake. This brake could be linked to rear and front like a lot of scooters are. So let's cruise through, do a quick cruise through Walnut Creek. Oh, and here are some parking ladies we've got. And we'll go up here. Watch out. Oh, don't worry, I'm not gonna run you over. And let's see if we can get some speed out of this thing. I don't have a helmet or gloves, so hopefully we don't run into any law enforcement. All right, let's try downhill. Maybe we'll have better luck. Let's go downhill. I did give it a little push there. I cheated. There we go. There we go. I'm wide open. And it's pretty responsive with the brakes there. And watch your entry. I've popped a tire that way before. And we're back. So like super easy, super fun. Look at that handling. And something like this I'll probably sell for about 1,900 bucks. You know, just because the condition. They got a lot of modifications you can do for these things. You know, pipes. I think there's even a manifold you can get for it, intake manifold. So there you have it. 1987 Honda Aero 50 two-stroke scooter. Thanks for watching.